I was appointed as a Superior Court judge by Governor Deal in 2012. At that time, I had practiced law since 1995, so about 17 years. And I was, prior to that, lived in Columbus, Georgia, grew up in Douglas, Coffee County, both my wife and I. We moved back there in 2002, so it's a rural circuit, rural area. I was appointed as a part-time solicitor at the state court there in Coffee County in 2005. So during that time period, while moving back home, it started to open my eyes to the need for good judges, for good judges in our rural circuits, and so that path and process through becoming a solicitor and being involved locally led me to applying and become a Superior Court judge. Best part of my job is every now and then, and as a judge, you're somewhat isolated, believe it or not, particularly in the rural community. Everybody knows who you are, but at the same time, they know your role, know your duty, and every now and then you can tell that you're truly making a difference in someone's life, and that's always really gratifying, whether it's in a family situation or even in some criminal situations. You truly see that people appreciate you're making a difference in their life for the better, and that really make the days go well when you can do that. While in leadership on the council, I hope to continue our efforts to be progressive in the state with respect to our policies, always looking to improve our policies and our judicial system, but more importantly, coming from a rural circuit in South Georgia, to make sure that these policies are equally applied, that they're equally accessible and equally valuable, both to rural and urban parts of our state, because that's real important for our rural part, that we're able to have the same accessibility for our part of the state as well. Right now, I read almost every morning about the Georgia Bulldogs. I'm a huge Bulldog fan. My wife graduated from University of Georgia. I'm also a Mercer fan. I graduated from there, but we have a senior in high school who'll be attending the University of Georgia next fall, so we're always big sports fans, always have been growing up, played sports. Our kids do, so every morning I'm usually reading what's going on in Bulldog Nation and going on around the state.